in Gran Canaria in Puerto Rico, and we're staying at the Altair Apartments, which is a 3-star apartment block, and I'm going to go and show you some of the highlights. Any questions, ask me in the comments. There are some plastic hangers to the wardrobe, and there is a safe, which I believe was €25, and you get €5 back when you hand it back. We've both got plenty of room there. Shower, towels, toilet roll included, hairdryer, soap, decent mirror, hola, kitchenette, oh, it's cute. Fridge. Table. Sofa bed for Monsieur. Here he is, Monsieur. Telly. Onto balcony. So the bars play music across the road till 4 AM. So if you're not a night owl, bring your earplugs or it'll keep you awake. Balcony is massive. So everything was really, really great. The only negatives I've got is that there were a lot of steps, so not great for people with mobility issues, the noise, which I've said before, and the lack of aircon. All right, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching.